Good morning everyone. Today's video, I want to share my recipe to my spring roll, or we call it lumpia. So this is my recipe. So first, garlic powder and black pepper. Next, soy sauce. I have 1/3 cup. And then 1 egg. Also 1 pieces of big onion. So I slice it into cubes. And then I have carrots, guys. I didn't finish yet the carrots, so all you need to do is like this. So I have 5 pieces of carrots and 2 pack of ground pepper. 2 pack of ground pork, sorry. And big 5 pieces of carrots. So for the spring roll wrapper, guys, I use the medium size. And then for the wrapper, guys, I use medium size, and I just slice into 2 when I started to cook the lumpia. And sometimes I will just make sauce for the spring rolls. And you can buy also in the Filipino store for the sauce. And then when I make spring roll, guys, I just do fresh. I didn't cook the meat when I fried it, deep fried. Because mostly people is like they cook first the meat and then they wrap the meat, but I just do fresh lumpia. So this is it, guys. So I will put the meat now. So I will mix. So I will add more 1/2 cup of soy sauce and garlic powder. I will add a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper. So that's the final recipe. And after mix the ground pork, I will wrap the meat. So you must to mix properly, guys, the meat and also the carrots. So you can add one more egg if you want, but I will just use only one pieces of egg. So for lumpia wrapper, guys, I use this like this, and you can find this anywhere in the store. And then this one, this is two spoon of flour and water and mixed. So this is the wrapper, guys. So I will start to wrap now. 1 spoon of meat like this, and then next, ganito lang, guys, roll and fold other side, both sides, fold and then continue, and then the flour with water, put some in the flour and then roll it, and just like this. And then I will slice into two when I started to cook the spring roll. So some of the ground pork, guys, I will make dumpling, or we call that shumai. But I will add, for the shumai, I will add another recipe for the shumai. kung hindi ko ito magawa lahat for lumpia. So I will do dumplings. For the two pack of ground pork, guys, is makagawa na kayo mga 100 pieces or more. So must be your hand is clean when you do your food. You're making your food. Wash your hands every time you're making your food. So ganito lang guys, so easy to wrap the lumpia. So if you have gloves while you're wrapping to your lumpia, it's so hard guys. So that's why I just never put some gloves. So I will deep fry after wrapping my spring rolls. And I will share what is my sauce for the spring roll. So oil, and then put the lumpia or spring roll, just medium heat. So I will slice into one like this guys. So the lumpia is ready guys. So this is the sauce for our lumpia. Sweet and chili sauce. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Bye bye. Spring roll.